If you're looking to remix bland and boring raps, I can help you out with that. No, not rap music. Trust me, you don't want to hear me rap. These ground turkey fajita wraps are a healthy lunch option that are packed with flavor, healthy vegetables, and easy to meal prep for the entire week. It doesn't involve a lot of complicated ingredients, and if you want to save even more time, I'll give some suggestions throughout the video. Here's how to make them. We'll start by preparing the ingredients for our fajita mixture. Rinse 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 white onion, and then dry all of them with paper towels. Grab your cutting board and place it on your table. Place your bell pepper on it and begin cutting them into long strips. Cut the top and bottom parts of the bell pepper first. Then carefully remove the inner central white parts of the bell pepper along with the seeds. Carefully cut the bell pepper in half as shown here, and then cut it lengthwise until you're left with several long strips. You'll want to repeat this process for your remaining bell peppers and place everything into a large bowl. If you want to save time on cutting, you can buy pre-sliced bell peppers at most grocery stores and use those instead. For our onion, we'll be using half of it for this recipe. Peel it first, cut the top and bottom parts of the onion off, and then cut it in half. Then lay the onion so it's flat on the cutting board and begin cutting it several times until you're left with several onion slices. While we're at it, take out your lime and cut it in half. We'll use both halves later in this recipe. Turn a burner on medium heat. Place a large skillet on top of it and then give it a light spray of oil. Add your chopped vegetables to the pan. We'll season our vegetables with a pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, and the juice from half of your lime. Cook on medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes while occasionally stirring. They should start to turn a bit translucent. Once your vegetables are done cooking, remove them from the skillet. Return your skillet back to the burner and give it a light spray of oil. Add 2 pounds of ground turkey to your skillet. I'm using 93.7 ground turkey, but you can also use lean ground chicken or beef if you prefer. Break it up and then let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's no longer pink. Once your meat has been browned, drain the excess fat from the pan and then return it back to your burner. Now for our fajita seasoning. We're using 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which is optional. If you want to save on time with your seasonings, you can use 1 packet of low sodium fajita seasoning mix and add that instead. Mix everything together until your seasonings are fully incorporated in the meat. Finally, use the remaining half of your lime and squeeze some lime juice over your ground meat. Mix everything together. Once everything's been incorporated, remove from the skillet. Now we'll form our wraps. Take out a 10-inch size tortilla and place it down. I'm using these high-protein, low-carb wraps by Be Free, but you can use whichever wrap you prefer. Add a bit of your ground meat mixture. Then add a bit of your fajita mixture on top of it. This is optional, but you can also add a bit of sour cream, shredded cheese, and fresh cilantro. Carefully bring the edges of the wrap together and then roll it until your wrap is formed. Although I was able to barely fit everything, I would recommend using a bit less than what was shown in this video. Then you're set to enjoy your ground turkey fajitas wrap. You'll have enough wraps to last you the entire week or feed the family for dinner. Store the leftover ground meat and fajitas in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. If you plan to meal prep these for lunch, I would recommend forming the wraps the morning of so they aren't as soggy from sitting in the refrigerator for days. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.